Goose-Grip snap-on 14.4 portable battery housing, 4 magnets on the bottom, working on my back down here. I mounted it on the jack stand, but it could go anywhere on the frame, whatever. And there's the 12-inch swivel stick work light, made specifically to operate on Snap-on's 14.4 battery. It's about between 14 and 1500 lumens. I've got to have that measured a little more accurately, so I'm unsure of the exact lumens. This is manufactured by Goose-Grip, and this is all stainless steel swivel, 6061 CNC aluminum, 14 millimeters wide, 9 millimeters thick. And I need to illuminate up there. I gotta do an alternator, so I'm gonna mount the stick right there. Now I'm going to turn the light on right here, and you can take this light, put it anywhere you want, and it has all kinds of cool articulation, like a ballerina and like an airplane propeller. So any angle, any pitch, it doesn't matter. I have to see up in there, and it's just an awesome light because of the 12-inch reach that it has. Anyway, this is available on Goose-Grip.com. This light's $165, has a lifetime warranty. A couple of minor conditions, nothing bad, but there it is again. Snap-on 14.4. Put it anywhere. Put it on the frame right there. See, when you have the battery remotely mounted, then you can make your light all light stick. There's no fat body that gets in your way or blocks your view. This is all light. Very, very bright light. It has a CRI, color rendering index, of greater than 90. Sunlight is 100. So a greater than 90 light is about the best you can achieve. Expensive chips in this light, custom made PC board. There's nothing off the shelf. Everything about this light is custom made. The only thing that's not custom is the magnet. That's off the shelf, but everything else is made just for me, just for Goose-Grip. Anyway, that's it. Take a look for it on Goose-Grip.com.